Jack, where'd the binky go? Where'd the binky go? Maybe Aaron will give it to you? Oh, there's the binky. Oh, where'd the binky go? Where'd the binky go, Jack? Oh, there it is. Thanks, Aunt Erin. Sucker on the binky. Where'd the binky go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Where'd it go?
Is that your binky? Jack, is that your binky? He's getting his head cut on the flower. Did you get your head caught? Yeah. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Oh, don't drop it.
Well, that's a pretty fun game. Say bye-bye, Jack.
Jackson.
Say bye-bye and bye-bye, Binky.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Binky. Bye-bye, Binky. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.